Hey, good morning, Map here, Map Investments. Great morning so far, 11:30 a.m. on 10/31. It's Halloween. Let's take a look at the futures. We got the 10-year up 2 bips to 405. We have the dollar up 86 cents to 111.61. So it really held that 110 level that we've spoken about. Let me close a couple tabs here that I don't really need right now since I'm doing this video. Um, Hope you all had a great weekend. The Dolphins won, so that's good. Yippee. Um, Unfortunately, Green Bay didn't beat the Bills, but that was known. But the Bills did cover the spread by half a point. On a side note, um, so yeah, dollar up, oil down, $1.31 to 86.60. And it seems that it just took a little leg down here in the last minute. You can see here on the graph, took a little dump here. I don't know if there's any news on that, but don't see anything there. But we had a little dump here on the oil, $1.36 down. The low of the session was 85.88. So little sell off there. Let's throw here on the studies. Quick study, lower studies popular. I like to always have the RSI. So you can see it's down below 27. This is a little short sell-off here, and it's oversold here. But it continues to go down 86.46, 44, and it's dropping. S&P down 1950. Gold down 4. Hogs flat. Feeders down 90 cents. Cattle down 57 cents. Small caps up 4. The Nasdaq's down 132. Meta's under some pressure, and we'll go under some stock names. Dow Jones down 64. I'm down on my future trade, $18 that I did live last night. Um, I'm tempted to throw a little oil trade here on this sell-off. Um, why not? Let's go for it on this big little sell-off. 1650 buying power. Um, I'll take a shot here. Let's take a shot. So I took a shot here in the oil for a little bounce back. Maybe get back to $1, make 40 cents. Who knows? If it gets back to 87, I can make a quick $50. If it gets back to 87, maybe I'm risking it. I don't know. Living dangerously here. I did shrink my little screen here because I noticed in the last video the screen was big, so I did shrink it. Sorry about that. But I did add the notes in the uh in the video on the micro futures. So up 14 on this product, 15. Hopefully we get a bounce back off that RSI. Um Gold down 4. Nat gas really bumping up 47 cents. I really like Nat gas. And they're doing well. Silver flat. VIX is down. The grains are popping. We actually got to start off on wheat, but we have some news on the grains that Russia uh, is not going to be transporting. Let me get the news right. I don't want to mislead you, but there is Russian news. Uh, Russia and wheat. Let me see if it talks about it. There was news that they're gonna wheat prices jumped by nearly 6%. Russia withdraws from the vital Ukraine export deal because I think there was a something happened. I would have to go into the article, but I think there was some active fighting or something. Um, Something happened there. So it says Russia announced that it was withdrawing from the deal for an indefinite period after it accused Ukraine of a massive drone attack on the Black Sea Fleet. So there was an attack. So that's causing grains to be higher. Um, I got to take a look at those products, like I mentioned in my prior video. Um, and that's pretty much it here on the future products. Let's take a look and see how the oil's doing that I just put on. Hopefully get a bump up. So up 21. Uh, maybe it gets back to 87. I could do a quick sell, make quick 50 bucks. Let's put here sell at 87. So I have it there. If it bumps up to there, I'll sell. Let's see what Dow Jones is at. The one I did with you guys live last night. I'm down 4, so I'm hanging in there. All right, let's take a look at the stocks. Um, we have before the bell on Global Alliance, XPO, CNA. I think the biggest hit here was On Semiconductor, and that is a good name. On Semiconductor is a really good name. Um, they I think they're highly ranked here in the IBD, but semis have been coming down. See, they got a 94 rating. They got a nice sell-off here. Let's try and do a trade here in on live trading here. Let's see what we got. We got an IV rank of 55. Let's go out 46 days to the. So they're $5 wise. I'm gonna pass. I don't want to risk 500. Let's see if we can find something uh, with dollar wise. So I don't like going 18 days because it's very short time. But it seems that that's where the liquidity is. Looking at these indexes, not indexes, these option chains. I'm sorry, you got the open and the volume. So let's see. Let's pull up the on chart here. Do a couple of trades with you live here. Let's see here on. Come on, baby. Oh, maybe they knocked me out because I didn't renew. So maybe they knocked me out. Maybe they caught on to me on my Marcus Smith chart. Let's see here. Oh, is it on? There it is. Perfect. So usually the moving average is about 60. I don't mind putting something on 16, 18 days if I can get a third of the width. Let's try here. So I'm gonna go to the 60 here, 18 days out. We got some liquidity here. It's a 31 delta. I doubt I can get a third of the width here. 25 cents I can get. But I'm not scared to go a little bit closer. Let's go 61 and get let's try and get 35 cents here. If you want to even go even more aggressive, you can go closer and try and get here is 63. Now this is being aggressive. 63, 62 for 40 cents. Why not? Ship it out. That'll get filled. So I got to trade on. So I'll just go over here. I got 7 fills so far this morning. I got 14 working orders. I got filled on. Let's just delete this one. I don't need extra on them. And then let's just put another order here, opposite order. Try and buy this sucker back for 20 cents, let's say. You can go like that, good till cancel. Make a $20 trade there, see what happens. You gotta do a lot of trades. Um, so on was a loser this morning. Uh, let's check out the other ones. I think Global Payments is GPN. Global Payments, I know my by memory. Down 8. Wow, big loser. Down 8. So go over here. Let's see what their rating is here. Oh, something got filled there. What got filled here? I just sold my NL because they have earnings. So I made money on that NL call. I got hey, what happened here? Not chart market watch. So I sold NL because I have earnings on Wednesday. I cut off a little bit of NC. I gotta take a look at Hansen, EL, TEL, and ASC. They got earnings, and then I got earnings on AT, HM this week. I was looking at what I have on my calendar. Let's see here. So that's cool. You guys are doing some trading with me. Let's check out GPN here. Some live trading here. So GPN has a pretty good rating, 75. Uh, they do provides electronic payments processing to consumers, merchants, corporations, financial institutions. But I got a feeling that their options stink. So let's take a look at the options. 18 days out, $5 wides. I'm not in the mood to deal with $5 wides. So pass on them. XPO, another one. So XPO had good numbers, I guess. They were up nice. This stock's been sold off a lot. Let's see XPO. See what kind of ranking they have. 50. So the ranking's 50. But it looks like it's back over the moving average here on the chart. XPO probably has some decent uh probably IV got crushed here because earnings is out. They got an IV rank of 51. Still high. Want to open up another thing here to confirm. I like to confirm on two platforms. And confirm here on the Tastywork platform. XPO. So it got 30. So you see how the IV rank here is different? I like to confirm. See, IV rank was very high here, and now since the earnings is out, boom, it's down. And you could look at the options. You could tell there's really not much going on here. They're pretty wide too, 60, 80. Mm, I don't know if I want to do something here. They got high volume and they beat earnings by 145, 134, and their sales missed a little bit. Um, maybe I'll come back to this one. I'm not doing anything right now on this. It's coming back. Come back. SunCoke Energy. Don't know much about them. I think they're under 10. It's under a $10 stock. It is a coal stock, and it looks like they probably did awesome. They beat earnings per share 49 cents versus 17 estimate 560. So this stock killed it. This stock killed it. Um, Anything in the coal sector is killing it right now. Huge volume on this bar here, and I don't see why this stock will not see the old highs. I've seen this stock before. SCX. Let's take a look at the options. 33, not high. IV rank is decent. Let's check it here. SCX. So something that you might be able to do here. Um, the front end has more volatility, 52. Back end has 47. You want to take a small play. Something that might be interesting you can do here is maybe a calendar, buy a calendar, and what you do is sell the front and buy the back, 15 cents each. So let's just route this three for $45. See what happens. If you want to even, the tens are not even that aggressive. So I did a calendar spread on this one. There's really no bids on the tens on the next month. Not much going on here. Not a lot of stuff in the options market. Only 304 options. I put a small trade, see if someone bites. Oh well, whatever. And those are what some of the earnings from this morning. Um, After the bell, NXP, Avis, Arista, Goodyear, Stryker, Williams, CVR, Marriott, American Water, and then tomorrow I got SoFi, Uber, Pfizer, BP, Marathon, Lilly, Newmont, Toyota. So some decent ones. Um, let's wrap it up and see what what these futures are looking like. Let's see, MCL. It came back down. So I'm only up 6. It went boom, boom, back down. Only up 6 on the MCL. And Dow Jones, I'm up 9. They're small products, so they move a little bit slower than the bigger ones. We'll see. We're still early. It's only noon. A lot of trading left. I'm gonna actually now start going through my mechanics through my bar chart and go through the most active options. As you can see, these are the most actives. You got Amazon down 138. I have a position. I have a short position in Apple. Um, Tesla's pretty flat. Some of the meme stocks are moving. AMC and GameStop. AMD's down some. Petro Bras with the election over there in Brazil. Meta's getting destroyed. Nvidia down some. Google down some. Bed Bath and Beyond up a little bit. Neo up a little bit. So you get the drift. I'm gonna go down this here. Let me plug in my computer charger. Sorry. Airbnb's down 6. I think they report this week. Uh, Netflix is down. So what I'm gonna do now mechanically is go down this deal, and if I don't have positions some of them, and I want to put a trade on, I will. Like the video, share it, subscribe, comment below, and have a great trading day. Bye bye now.